There are only 4 parts that connect your car to the road, or in my case, the racetrack, and that's your tyres. They're often overlooked and very underrated. But upgrading them is the quickest, most cost-effective way of improving your performance behind the wheel. Bridgestone's latest instalment in the Potenza Adrenaline range is the RE003, and it's leading the way in the street sport tyre market.
The Adrenaline RE003 is designed for enthusiasts who are wanting to improve the handling of their vehicle. Drivers will appreciate the precise, sporty nature and the feeling of being connected to the road.
Its cutting-edge technology delivers on all fronts. The feel of the tyre is one of the most important things when you're driving a race car, and it's no different on the road. And this tyre feels incredible. You have a great feeling through the front, through the steering wheel. You can feel the rear of the car transfer its weight, and it provides tremendous feedback for the driver. The noise and comfort is another very important feature when you're on the road. The quieter the tyre, the much nicer the ride. And let me tell you, the RE003, very quiet, not a lot of noise when you're pushing the tyre to its limits. That makes for fantastic highway driving. Combined with the great feel and the lack of noise, the handling is second to none. You can really feel the car through the front tyres, and then as it rolls onto the rear, you get a good balance through the rear of the car.
We've optimised the tread pattern design for a more even contact patch, which, combined with a new silica tread compound, has generated improvements in both wet and dry handling.
When I race, I'm looking for that bite, the initial response when I turn the wheel, and I'm feeling that with this tyre. This is a great exercise, a dynamic lane change. We go in and out of the cones, really get a feel for the tyre on the ragged edge, and boy, it feels good. Precision in the corners is absolutely paramount. You need to know that when you turn the wheel, the car is going to take you to the corner and hit the apex. But one direction's not good enough. On a 2-direction corner, you need good change of direction. Through the right. Swap the balance over to the left, good grip and feel, and a fantastic overall cornering experience. So we've really cranked up the sprinklers now to enhance these wet conditions. And when it comes to confidence, there's no substitute for superior braking in the wet. We jump on the brakes, no better confidence to know that the stopping ability is almost the same as the dry conditions. Like so many things these days, we're often spoilt for choice. Why should we choose Bridgestone?
We spend more than $800 million a year in research and development, which allows us to deliver a superior product to the market.
I've got to say, it's an awesome tyre. So if you're after performance, I recommend the Bridgestone RE003.